Okay, it's just a quick update on the bus. We're out doing our monthly chores or getting our stuff, me, Jen, and Mikey. And they're unloading, or we unloaded, but they're putting it in the house where it belongs. I know it's going to be humidity like crazy in here, which it is. Come in and I'm already starting to sweat. Woo, back here it's really hot. Well, I wanted to see what this was. We're at 26.1 or 26.0. It was 1 just a second ago. At 81.3 volts at 0.6 of an amp from the solar panels. The batteries are pulling 1.9 amps. 26 volts. We are doing good. I'm gonna hit all these. I'm gonna hit both of them. See what it does. They're both on. Oh, that was my mistake. I'm dummy. Alright, I gotta turn that on. We're at 29.9 there, and we were at 26 there. Now we're gonna hit the breakers. We're at 25.7. But I got the refrigerator, the fan, and all the computer stuff is turned on. And it still only dropped to 25.8. And we're at 71.9, 71.2. But the amperages went up when you do that. Yeah, she's working good, guys. Working real good. Now we'll turn this back off. And it's back up to 26.3. She's working really good. So that was it. That's just a short video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I said you can. Thumbs down if you didn't. Please watch a couple videos. Try to help the channel out. And bye till later. Thanks for watching.